friends, welcome to Magical Studies. Last time we have discussed about central tendency of the ungrouped data. But today we will discuss about the grouped data. In this case, we will find out the mean of the grouped data. Let us try to understand what is mean by the grouped data. Grouped data is the large data. When we have the large data, so we should divide these data into small groups. Let us understand in this table. In this table, it is given there are 25 students. There are 25 students which gain the weight 1.5 kg weight is gained by 4 students and 2 kg weight is gained by 5 students. In this type of case, in these categories, we have divided the groups. So, in this case, we should use both the values to find out the mean. This value is called xi and this value is called fi. And we should use fi and xi to find out the mean. Just multiply both the values of xi and fi. Then we will get 15 into 1.5 into 4 is 6.0. 2 into 5 is 10. 2.4 into 8 is 19.2. 3 into 5 is 15. 3.2 into 2. 3.2 into 2 is 6.4 and 3.4 into 1 is just 3.4. Just add all these values. And you will get the summation of fi and xi. And this value is 60. Just add. And now put the formula of summation of fi xi by summation of fi, and this is the formula for the mean. Just put the value of this fi xi. This is the 60 and fi is 25. Divide the values and you will get the 2.4 kg. This 2.4 kg is the mean value gain in weight by the students. Just read the second question here. Find the value of P for the following distribution when the mean is given. Mean is 10 here and find the value of P. That is, P is we have to find out. In this case, xi is given, fi is given. Just multiply fi xi and write down the values. 5 into 4, 20. 7 into 4, 28. 9 into P is 9P. 11 into 7 is 77, 13 into 3 is 39, 15 into 2 is 30 and 20 into 1 is 20. Just add all these values. When you add all these values, you will get 214 plus 9p. This is the value of summation of fi xi. And when you add all these, then you will get 21 plus p. This is the value of summation of fi. Write down the formula. Mean is equal to summation of fi and xi by summation of fi. Just put the values. Fi xi is 214 plus 9p and summation of fi is 21 plus p. What is the value of mean? That is 10. Yes, very nice. And just cross multiply. 210 plus 10p is equal to 214 plus 9p. Just put constant in one side and variable in second side. And just 210 we will put variable in left side and constant in right side. Just minus 10 minus 9 is 1p and 214 minus 10 is 4, that is P is equal to 4. That's how we can find out the value of P when the mean is given. Now we will take the third question. Just read the question. Find the values of F1 and F2 when the mean is 50 and the sum of frequency is 120. Just multiply Fi and Xi and we will get the Fi and Xi 170, 30F, 30F1, 1600, 70 F2 and 171. And when we add all these numbers, then we will get 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 3480. Just add all these numbers. And from here we will get F1 plus F2 plus 68. This is the value of summation Fi and this is the value of summation Fi Xi. Just write down the formula. Mean is equal to summation of Fi Xi and summation of Fi. Just put the value of all these things. Fi Xi is 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 3480. And what is the value of summation Fi? This is the value of Fi. But one thing is also given here. F1 and F2 plus 68 is 120. Means sum of frequencies. Sum of all these frequencies 120. Just write down the 120 over here. And what is the value of mean? Value of mean is 50. Just multiply this thing and we will get the 6000 is equal to 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 3480. Just solve this equation and we will get 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equal to just minus 3480 from the 6000 and we will get 2520. Just divide whole equation by the 10 and we will get 3F1 plus 7F2 is equal to 252. This is our first equation. And from a second equation, we can make second equation from here. This is the F1 plus F2 plus 68 is equal to 120. And this is the F1 plus F2 is equal to 120 minus 68. And we will just write here 52. And howsoever we will get the two equations. These two equations we will get. This is our second equation. How we can solve these two equations? Just equate these equations by multiplying with 3. And when we multiply this equation by the 3, 3F1 plus 3F2 is equal to 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15, means 156. And when we solve these two equations, just solve these two equations. 3F1 plus 7F2 is equal to 252. Minus these equations, just cross these equations and minus, put the sign minus here and you will minus, you will get 4F2, just minus over here, and what will you get? The 12 minus 6 is 6 and 4 minus 5 is 9 and this is 96. Just divide F2 is F2, you will get F2 is equal to 96 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 24. Means value of F2 is, we will get 24. By putting the value of F2 in first equation, in first or second, in any of 2, you can put the value of these and you will get the value of f1, that will be 28. Howsoever, you will get f1 is equal to 21 and f2 is equal to 24. This is our answer solution. It means this is our solution for the when you want to find out the two values and mean is given and the sum of frequencies is also given. If you like my video, then please press the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.